Let us open this fuel screw. This is the screw and this is the spring. From this place, see, all there are chambers. From pilot it is coming, so I am blowing from pilot. From many passages it is coming through this, through inside of this it is coming. When I blow from here it is coming. Likewise, and when you blow from here, see, likewise when you blow from here, like that, regulator air screw, from here it is coming. Actually I soaked the carburetor in WD-40. This is the petrol. Finally you have to clean it with the petrol. Like that. This is the slider. This is the air screw. This is the plastic part. I will show you where it will go. This is the securing pin. This is the cap. This is the controlling pin. This is the controlling pin. Fuel controlling pin. This is the choke unit. This is the jet, main jet. This is another brass piece which comes in the center of the carburetor. That means main jet. This is the packing. This is the bottom cap. This is needle valve. It will look like this. This is for holding the accelerator cable. This is pilot jet. This is the main spring. This is air screw spring. This is air screw spring. This is the brass cap. I will show you where it will get fitted. This is the sealing ring at the bottom. These are the bottom screws, and these also. This is accelerator cable holder. This is the pilot jet. This is the fuel screw spring. Finally, this unit, you have to clean it thoroughly from all the sides. All these parts are clean. We will assemble them now. The standard of floats must be like this much free. I am holding this. Let us check this one. This much free. Now let us check this one. Free. The float should come easily towards this side. That means upward side. Take this. This is for main jet. It will go into that hole. The face should be that side, that means to the conical side. Hold it here like this. From here, turn it. Once that's it, press it down. See, it is going down. When you press it, see, it will come through this. You have to match to that piece. Turn it little bit. Now it is matching. Now press downwards. Yes, it has come. It must be like this. Like this. It will go like this. Place the jet. Now this piece will not move. This is for pilot jet. Place the pilot jet. Place the pilot jet and tight it. It must go freely. There should not be any mismatch in the threading. Take the air screw. This is for placing the air screw. Place it. This is fuel screw. Place the fuel screw. Place this here. Place the choke unit. After that, you have to tighten all these. Let us see how to fit this. It is called float arm or float tab. Actually, this piece is little bit broken. This is the piece. This is the piece which is broken, small piece. So I already placed the order to get this, but we will see how to install this. This is the needle valve. Place it like this. Place it in this passage. Place it here like this. Take this pin and place it. Yes. See, this must be like this. What actually happened? After that, place this stopper. This must be the action. Like this. See what happens? It will go up to here and it will stop. That's what it is provided. When you leave it, it will go there and it will stop there. What happens actually? See, watch carefully. When this is getting lifted up, the needle valve is moving. See, that means when the bowl get filled up with petrol, float like this, and this point will come in contact with this point. See, actually the carburetor will be fitted like this. This point is coming up to here and this point is being stopped by this one. When the bowl fills up with petrol, the float will get lift up like this. When the float comes on top, it will lift it up. You can watch the needle valve also, that is going up, and after filling it will close that passage. This passage will be closed. When this point comes like this, the fuel will be shut off to the bowl. When the float goes down, this also comes down. When that time the fuel will be filled in the bowl from the petrol tank. Once the bowl will get filled up, it will close this passage. Actually, this will this will be moving continuously during the operation of the vehicle. Why? Because see, in this condition the bowl is getting filled up. When the point is like this, the bowl is getting filled up. When it get lifted up fully, the fuel will be shut off. That means it is regulating the flow of petrol from the petrol tank to the carburetor and acting as intake and cutting off from the fuel tank. It must move freely like this. There should not be any obstructions in this. Must move freely. The needle valve will move along with this. This is the float arm and that is the needle, and it is connected by this small point, this one. That is only the holding point of needle valve to the float arm. This must be in line. It will go up to there, and due to this it is stopping here only. It will go up to here and it will stop. Why? Because if it totally comes to the down, there will be a slippage of that needle valve, and this portion will come out through this. That's what the limitation is provided here. This plastic piece is very important. This is collar like all around. Already there is impression on this here. Place this like this. Once you place that, it must go freely. See, like that. There should not be any obstructions like that. When you leave the cup, it must fall down like this. All 4 screws. You can hear the sound inside, float sound. Place the needle first. Place this. Place it like this. Place it and tight it. Both are tightened. Place this. It must go like that. We will check it later. The spring will go like this. This portion must come to the conical side. Place it like this. See, it is going to the center of that. Yes. Once it is over, place the spring and take this and place it. Once you place that, take the screws. Tight it and tight this one. Now carburetor is ready. Now it is under spring action. See. Now we will fit this one and start the vehicle. You can see the difference between before and now. I hope this video is useful. Let us meet again.